Let's have a quick look at the news announcements that's coming out tonight. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, hey guys, I want to do a quick announcement. I just want to let you guys know about the employment situation. The employment numbers that are coming out, they're coming out at 8:30 in the morning. We've been very quiet. There's been a lot of talk of rate announcements, non-rate announcements. Man, I just wish the Fed would get out of the way and let the markets do what it's going to do and let us trade the markets. We actually can see we have the employment situation, which is the job numbers there. Is it going to be bullish? Is it going to be bearish? The charts tell me it's going to be a bearish sign, but who the hell knows in this economy, right? Or in this market here. So we've been seeing a lot of non-volatile movements. We saw like one big movement in the Dow Jones. That was a move down, and then the market's just gone sideways again. We went sideways for 2 months. We had one big down day. I thought, yes, volatility's back. Let's go. And then it just went sideways again. It's like, come on now. And so anyway, guys, employment numbers coming out. I want to let you know about that, and I actually think that maybe they're worried about the announcements, the rate announcements, stuff like that. They're worrying about the rate announcements and stuff like that. But I also believe, guys, that the employment situation, the employment numbers, is going to be something they're looking out for. But on top of all that, I believe something else is also happening underneath the surfaces. Like you see in these generals and these military hierarchy agents or hierarchy specialist people there. So I just got interrupted by someone at the front door. Ding dong, ding dong. Anyway, so guys, I believe there's something else something big that's going to be happening in the markets. And as I said before, I think there's generals, I think there's hierarchy military people coming out and talking about nuclear wars and them getting real serious about things. And there's actually been saying that one guy came out and said that was in the military that actually said that, you know, that there could be, or there might be, or there will be, something like that, a war bigger than World War II. Now, guys, that's pretty scary when you think about it. 20-something million people died in World War II. Now, I don't know about this, guys, but this seems really interesting, and I'm not saying this is going to happen, but if you look at population, and you look at the debt bubble, and you look at the human growth that we've actually had, if you look at this, and this is something I've been watching for quite some time, guys, and that this is a major cycle that seems like it's happening. The only way out of what this whole global situation has been done is a major deflation, right? A major deflation to deflate all these bubbles, to deflate all these assets, to wipe them out. Now, obviously, war is that one way to do that, right? So, but guys, I'm not sure if you know, but a bubble is a bubble is a bubble, and it's really interesting. And it's really interesting if you have a look at the this. Let me actually see if I can just bring this up here. I'm just trying to bring this up here on another screen. So let me just bring this up here on another screen here. So let me just bring this up. I just typed this into obviously to Google, and you can see here, guys. This is what obviously the US clock looks like. It's obviously, this is going into 2020, but it's not there yet. So, but you can still see that it's actually quite enormous. Now, guys, if you look at the actual human growth, I mean, like the population growth of how many people that have been born around the population, it actually looks something like this. where it's just exploded, absolutely exploded. And I don't know about you guys, but a bubble is a bubble is a bubble. And I know this might sound far-fetched, but guys, maybe the government can't handle that many people. Maybe there's too many people on this planet. That it's just getting way out of control. I don't know. What do you guys think? Again, this is just my thoughts. This is just my opinion. But if there is and it all just makes sense, right? That there's major debt. How they're gonna remove a lot of this debt? War, major war. And what else is gonna come? A graph shows a bubble. This is a debt bubble. We know that. But if you look at human growth, the population growth looks the exact same thing. So there's a population bubble. And it's really interesting that World War III, bigger than World War II, is on the talks right now. And what's going to happen with that? You're going to see the debt bubble get really deflated in that time. And guess what's also going to happen? Population is going to get deflated by the millions and tens of millions. World War II, there's 21 million, I think there was, that died. Now, I'm not, guys, this is not a laughing matter. As you can see, I haven't laughed once in this video. Or maybe I have when looking at the jobs announcement. But this is actually quite a serious thing. If we do end up going to World War III, there is going to be tens of millions of people that are going to die from this. And it's all because of these pig-headed governments that just don't know how to see what's happened in the past and say, you know what? Let's do the exact same thing and let's hope for something different. It's like, don't they see long term that they're going down a wreck? They're going down one of the worst time, or they're going down to they're just going down to disaster. They're going down to devastation. You can just see that, right? You can see how this is all forming out. This is all happening. And it's like, man, this is just absolutely crazy what's happening right now. So anyway, guys, that's my thought about the war. That's my thought about, human debt bubble. The debt bubble, and even population bubble as well too. And it's really interesting to see all these things just spike. Maybe the government can't handle it. Maybe this is all planned, and maybe this is all planned in the first place. Because I don't think the U.S. President Obama or Trump or Hillary has really any control anyway. Because it seems like they have to go to Congress, and Congress has got to pass it, and Congress might say no. It's like they seem like even the president seems like they're puppets. Like they have to get things passed. It's like, anyway, guys, so that's it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Anyway, I'd love to hear I'd love to hear your feedback about the debt bubble, the human population, and the potential of World War III and the devastation you guys think about it. So anyway, guys, remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.